Hey you guys, what is up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. This is your first time with me. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I do appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit ring your bell, and I will support you back as always. You know I will. This is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? So today we are doing something super exciting. I am finally going to reveal the house. I'm revealing the house today. So if you guys want to stick around and see the Rich Lux and Gerard Cosmetics busted the house, hashtag busted the house ice cream shack, you guys know the drill. I'll be right back. Okay, so first of all, what do you guys think about my background? I don't know if I like it or not. It's like, I don't know. I haven't decided whether I like it or not. So yeah, the lighting's a little bit wonky right now. So hopefully it won't be wonky while I'm showing you this awesome little house. This is the cutest thing ever. I heard that Rich Lux and Gerard were doing a collab, and I was actually on Marco Polo with my friend Sherry, and we were like, what? And all we knew was that it was going to be something to do with ice cream or cake or something sweet. And you guys know I don't really have too much of a sweet tooth, but when it comes to scents, I am a nut over sweet scents. Okay, you guys know my favorite perfume of all time is like the most teeny bopper perfume ever, which is Aquilina, Pink Sugar by Aquilina. And I just love sweet scents. I love cotton candy smells. I love, I just love it. Anyhow, when I found out about this, I was like over the moon. I did not know when it was coming out, and then once we found out it was going to be Rich Lux's birthday, which was August 9th, but I did tell him happy birthday on his birthday. But these are still on sale on the Gerard Cosmetics website. You can still get these. The good thing about this is you can get the whole entire PR kit just like we all got. You're getting the whole thing. So let's just show it to you, shall we? Pictures do this no justice. I'm not kidding. Pictures do this no justice. So this is the house, y'all. Is that not the cutest thing ever? Okay, so it is Gerard Cosmetics, Rich Lux times Gerard Cosmetics busted the house ice cream shack. And then on the other side, it has the Slay All Day setting spray. And it says GC on the top, and it has the directions. We all know that Gerard is cruelty free. And then the directions say, your old setting spray was good, woman, but she was a liar. You'll be feeling the ice cream fantasy with this all new set, honey. Spray before or after applying makeup, and you will not be bothered whenever drama erupts in the community. They are sure to be shook by your makeup look. Don't be a Poindexter and spray in your eyes, or you might get a wonky lash. I have a wonky lash today, straight up. Okay, look at the house. I have a wonky lash today. Rich, honey, if you're watching me, I have a wonky lash right here. I don't know why this is a lily lash. This is a lily lash, sweetie. This is a lily lash. Yeah, you guys, I put the lily lashes on. The Gaias are the ones that we got in like Boxy Lux. And when I went to put them on, I was like, why are these so hard and stiff and not pliable and like not bendy at all? And I was like, okay, so I'm used to my Huda Beauty, lashes and my House of lashes. And even though these are gorgeous lashes, you guys, these are gorgeous lashes. They really are. They were extremely hard to apply. So yes, I would not suggest these specific lashes. They should not have sent these in BoxyCharm or whatever it was that we got them in. They should not. Everybody gets this box, okay? The same exact thing I have in my hand. Everybody gets this, okay? So we're going to open the box here, It does come open all the way, and it says on the inside, I love you so much. Rich Luxe. Love Rich Luxe. This is so cute, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Okay, so you open the box and this is what it looks like. So we have, I took the smaller setting spray out just so you guys, you know, just so it just wasn't all boxes in there. So we have 2 sprayers. Actually, you had 3 because this one came with a sprayer too. Gerard Cosmetics has done something different to try to save on leakage, and they started putting these screw tops on with their setting sprays instead of putting them on, sending them like this. So, as Jen is amazing as she is, she listens to all of her customers and she listens to her affiliates and all of the GC squad. And they started using these amazing caps to get your setting spray, and then you get an extra sprayer, like not an extra sprayer, but you get the sprayer on the side. So this came with 2 sprayers. 2 sprayers for the large ones, and then the 1 sprayer for the small. So this comes with 2 large setting sprays. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out. Okay, so before I show you what's in the box, other than what you've already seen, I want to show you guys the card that came with the box. You will get this. This is a picture of Rich Luxe, and he has an ice cream cone on his head. It is so cute. His makeup is straight snatched. He's got sprinkles under his eyes. Can you guys see that? O-M to the G. So pretty. Look at the lips. Rich, honey, you are gorgeous. I love it. I love this makeup on you. I meant to tell you that. I was gonna send you a message and tell you, but this is gorgeous. And the blue on the inner, oh, I love it. Love it. I'm living for it. So, and then the ice cream, oh, I just love it. And then on the back, there's a special note from Rich, and it says, "Hi guys, clock at the house. Just wanted to share with you why this collab is so important to me." And when I read this, I actually got kind of teary-eyed because I feel the same way. I do. Gerard Cosmetics was one of the first brands to believe in me and offer me an opportunity, and I'm the same. I feel the same. The CEO, Jen, and I bonded over our similar characteristics. We are both business-minded and success-driven, but care about people above all else. Same. When I saw that we shared these things, I knew we would be close friends, which they are. They're amazing friends. I love the Slay All Day setting spray because sometimes the drama is so hot it might crack my contour without it. Same. We wanted to bring you the joy of dessert without the calories, so we created these 2 scents: mint chocolate chip and Dreamsicle. Orange Dreamsicle, you guys. Oh my goodness. Ooh. I hope you will love them and the house, because it is a limited edition collector's box as well that you will get. This is going to everybody, not just affiliates, not just for PR. Can't thank you, my loyal supporters, enough for making YouTube such a fun and creative outlet for me. Love you all so much. Rich Luxe. So you get 2 large of the Slay All Day sprays, and you get 1 small of the Slay All Day spray. So the 2 large, these. So this is our mint chocolate chip, and this is our Dreamsicle. You get both of these, and you get a small also of the mint chocolate chip. So I'm not going to mess with the small one right now because we're just wanting to look at the big ones. But these have the Rich Luxe stickers on them. I don't know if you'll be able to see that right there. You can probably see it better on this one right there. That's the Rich Luxe little sticker. I want a roll of those stickers. Jen, I want a roll of those stickers. Can I have them? Can I have some? Not a roll, but just like a few of them. I think they're so cute. Anyways, these smell so good, you guys. I have to be honest. Okay, which one do you think I like better? Okay, all right, but wait, let me tell you this first. I used to work at Baskin-Robbins when I was in high school. That was my first job, was at Baskin-Robbins at high school. So yeah, I'm all about this mint chocolate chip one. This one is my favorite. This one smells like heaven. It smells like just pure, oh my gosh, it's just so nostalgic. It reminds me of like being over at my grandma's, and she would always have the orange Dreamsicle pops, and then she'd have brown mules, and she'd have all these other orange, you know, these ice creams in her freezer, and I would eat these, and I would like to try to get to the middle as fast as I could. And this just smells like straight oranges and cream and just yumminess. And it is the Slough Day setting spray, and so it's just like a double yes. So this is the orange one, and this is the largest, 100 mLs. The small is 30 mLs. So this is a good size for you to test, you know, to kind of see if you like the formula, or to kind of, if you haven't tried it. I know that everybody who tries the sprays loves them. I love it. This, y'all, If I could explain what this one smells like in just a few words, if you like mint chocolate chip, then you're gonna love this. You're absolutely gonna love this. But if you're a mint chocolate chip lover, you know how sometimes like when you get the mint chocolate chip, it tastes more minty than chocolatey. Well, this is a perfect balance between the two. That's all I can say. It is a perfect balance between the two. I absolutely love this one. The mint does not bother me at all. And I have super sensitive eyes. I have super sensitive skin. I'm just like, yeah, this is just amazing. I love it. I love this. Jen, I want some of these stickers. These are so freaking cute. I want to put Rich Lux stickers all over everything. Yes. We'll put them all over everything. But you guys, this is an amazing deal. You get this and the small one, and I mean, who can ask for more than this? How cute is this? So you get the house, you get the 2 large setting sprays, and that's 100 ml, so that's 200 mLs of setting spray, and you get the 30 mLs, which is the smaller size of the mint chocolate chip setting spray. And oh my goodness, you guys know I ordered an extra one of the Dreamsicles, and so I have 2 of each, and I'm super excited because I think I'm going to do a giveaway. Yeah, I think I'm going to do a giveaway. Yeah, you also have to keep an eye out for that. So, and then you get the card too, and you can put whatever you want in this. Jen was asking everybody, you know, kind of like, what are you going to do with your box? You know, what are you going to use it for? It's like a keepsake. Here's the inside of our box, and you could take the styrofoam piece out. Okay. You could take it out if you want, but it does have a little bit of like stuff down in there to make it stick. But I thought that I would put, either use it to hold brushes, because this would be an amazing little thing to hold brushes with, or like keeps pictures, hold some photos in my beauty room of just my inspiration for beauty. And I also thought about putting all the little notes and cards, because obviously I haven't made my you know, my board yet that I've been talking about making, but I thought about putting like all the notes and the cards and stuff that I've gotten from everybody, and since I started my YouTube journey, and yeah, just having it just as a reminder, because honestly, I agree with Rich. Jen is a sweetheart. She has given opportunity to so many people, and where they may not get it otherwise. And I know that I was one of those people for a long time, and since then I've had things come along, and I don't know, I just don't know if it would have been possible without Jen. And Jen is a sweetheart, and I will forever be grateful to her for opening her company to smaller YouTubers. And I can definitely relate with Rich. I can definitely relate. So that card was very sweet, and I really love it. So you guys, this set is $59, and yes, you can use my 30% off code. It's Courtney30. I will leave everything down below. Here's the information. You can click on the link, go pick it up. $59 with 30% off with free shipping. It's worth it. Trust me. I mean, you guys, like, really, if you're a Rich Lux fan, then you're gonna love this, because this says Rich Lux, and the fact that you get the personalized cards, you get, you know, the picture. I'm like holding it upside down. You get the picture, you get just everything Rich Lux, and the new packaging on the Slay All Day sprays. It's just amazing. So I'm so happy for Rich, and I'm so happy for Jen and Rich to, you know, their friendship to have just blossomed. So Jen had to clock at the house with all of this stuff because she knew what time it was. She did. She knew this was going to be a big deal, so she made sure she was ready. And that right there is a businesswoman who knows what she's doing. So Jen, I thank you, honey. You're a sweetheart, and I think the world of you. So you guys, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'm super excited about this. I know you can tell, or you can't, or you can, maybe. I don't know. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, chat, subscribe, hit ring any bell, and I will support you back as always. You know I will. I love you guys, but I will not argue with you, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. For making YouTube such a fun, creative outlet for Jesus. Where's my fan? To get your sprayer comes in your box, as so. Even not a roll, but just like a few of them. I think they're so cute. Like, I want one that says C with a C. It's Labor Day. I gotta be. Yeah. This is my cheap little fan. I can't afford those nice bougie fans like everybody else has. But, oh, I keep messing up. I'm going to read this again. It's a little different now. They do have a protect... Ooh! Yep. That's me. That's it. That's how life goes for me.